Well, I'm coming to the end of the year. I'm kind of rethinking my channel and the projects I want to do. But I want to been kind of taking a break, cleaning the shop up a little bit, taking some inventory. I got to get me some material in. But I wanted to do a little New Year related thing. This is a Steve Good pattern. I'll have a link to it in the description. So let me cut it. I may paint it black or some color, I'm not sure. And then we'll see what it looks like. It won't take long to cut it, so let me get to it. So I found some red paint. I spray painted it real quick. I was going to use some metallic paint, but the cans were so old they wouldn't work. So I used this instead. Didn't have any glitter. I would have glittered it up. Now, that's just a neat, quick little New Year's project. Kind of have something to put up there for the new year. To wish everybody a happy new year. I hope 2025 will be better for you than any year ever. As I'm saying, I'm trying to kind of reboot my direction in this channel. Try to get more creative. I'm not having a lot of luck coming up with good ideas. If anybody has any suggestions or things they want to see, say so in the comments. Haven't answered comments in a few days because we've been switching internet providers. Been a lot of stuff going on top of the holidays. It's been kind of a very hectic time of the year. So anyway, I hope to get that settled out. I'm going to try to go in a new direction in the new year, and I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video, whatever that may be.